Easy access to food and countertop. The roll-top door moves up and out of the way so you can have safe, easy access to your food before, during and after cooking. Easy to keep clean doors up and out of the way of messy spills and drips. Convection, bake, broil and toast. 2 rack positions and included bake pan makes it easy to get started on cooking a variety of foods. Fits 6 slices of toast, 12 inches pizza and 9 inches x 11 inches bake pan. Spacious interior gives you room for cooking everything from snacks to side dishes. Easy to use contoured knobs. Not only is this new design easier to maneuver, but they're safer too. You won't find a design like the Hamilton Beach Easy Reach toaster oven with roll-top door anywhere else. Its unique and large opening makes food easy to reach. And since the door opens above the oven, it frees up your countertop space in front. Best of all, it's easy to keep clean because food can't spill on the door. Contoured dials are easy to grip and turn, making it simple to switch between bake, broil and toast settings. The stay-on setting is safer thanks to a stop mechanism that prevents the knob from being turned to stay on by accident. Care: this appliance is not intended for use by persons, including children, with reduced physical, sensory, or mental capabilities, or lack of experience and knowledge, unless they are closely supervised and instructed concerning use of the appliance by a person responsible for their safety. Close supervision is necessary when any appliance is used by or near children. Children should be supervised to ensure that they do not play with the appliance. Do not touch hot surfaces. Top reviews from the United States. Rare review. So, I don't write reviews. The way I look at it, I expect a product to work as advertised. I have to make an exception here, however. This model Hamilton Beach air fryer / toaster over is just superb. Foods cook nicely, albeit a bit more slowly than in other brands we've had over the years. That's fine, though. It's much easier to cook slowly and be able to gauge when to remove foods than to set a timer only to find your dinner is a combination of burned at the edges and frozen in the middle. We've cooked all manner of different foods in the HB and, so far, not a single bad experience. Toasted bagels, frozen biscuits, fried fish, pizza reheats, grilled cheese, our grandson's fave, Swiss melted on ham over rye bread. I'm drooling just writing this stuff down. I should add that the door design is splendid. Having the door open up, sliding over the top of the unit leaves the front counter space clear for prep. Great engineering, gang. The unit housing gets hot, so don't stack anything on top. Besides, you won't be able to open the door if the top is blocked with anything, so a win/win for safety. We highly recommend this particular model. It does everything we ask for a very competitive price. This one is a winner.